This video covers how to install your TxH sensors for your temperature monitoring system. It is important to ensure you have installed your gateway before you turn on and install your sensors. There are 2 steps in the installation process of the TxH sensor. Step 1. Turn on the sensor. Step 2. Mount the sensor in your store. While mounting the sensors, be sure to make note of the mounting location of each sensor on the provided device sheet. This will make renaming the sensors in the dashboard much easier later on. To turn on your TxH sensor, hold the provided magnet, or any magnet you have, over the U symbol on the bottom left corner of the sensor. After the blue light starts blinking, the sensor has been turned on and you can remove the magnet. After the sensor starts rapidly blinking once more, it has successfully connected to the gateway. If the mounting location is not magnetic, use the provided mounting strips. Peel off the red label and stick the metallic strip to the mounting location. While mounting the sensors, use the serial number on the back of the sensor to make note of where it was mounted. Do not mount the sensor near the vents of the fridge or cooler. Instead, mount the sensor on the side, top, or back of the unit to ensure a stable reading. Mount the sensor with the Rivercity Innovations logo pointing upwards. You may see slight temperature differences between sensors in the same unit if they are mounted in different locations. The sensor can also be mounted sideways, but it cannot be mounted with the logo facing downwards. If you'd like to obtain a sensor reading immediately, force an uplink by holding a magnet over the U symbol for 1 second. This will force the sensor to send data to the dashboard instantly. If you have any questions regarding the installation of the TxH sensor, please contact our support team. Thank you for choosing Rivercity Innovations for your temperature monitoring solution.